What's going on, guys? Today, Snicker Doodle Oreos. Alright guys, welcome back to the Rev Room. Oreo brand has been on fire recently. Majority of the food reviews that we've been doing for the past month, Oreos all over the place. From limited edition to new products to, just everything under the sun. They have been killing it with new products. So we have the Snickerdoodles here today. If you guys care about the nutritional facts, most people don't, especially if you're buying cookies. But open these up. We got the vanilla-based Oreo. Their little designs on it. So we're going to dissect one of these first. Got some Christmassy sprinkles, red and green on the inside. So I'll read you the description. So specifically says cinnamon flavored cream and crunchy sugar crystals. Now, if you guys have watched a lot of my food reviews, when they put those sugary crystal things in, I don't like them because they get stuck in your teeth quickly. They just don't really have good flavor. It's like a weird texture inside the cookie cream that is just unwanted. There was 4 different ones that I could think of that had them in it, and I believe it was the toffee ones and whatever other nonsense, but I don't really care for them, so I'm a little nervous with trying these. They smell absolutely incredible. The cinnamon, the Snickerdoodle, all that good stuff. Let's eat them. Shut up. Alright. There's a lot going on here. So, the cookie is as Snickerdoodle as it gets. It's a hard, crunchy Oreo like you're expecting, but in the Snickerdoodle form. When I usually think of Snickerdoodle, I think of a soft cookie, more like a sugar cookie type of thing, but a soft cookie. So having that hard, crunchy texture is cool. It's definitely nice and different. Very good. And the cream, of the Oreo is giving me that funfetti vibe. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting a funfetti icing. The icing, not the cake portion, the icing. The funfetti icing. Wow. We gotta do another one for scientific purposes. Way more crunchier than a normal Oreo. I don't know exactly why that is, but I'm not mad at it. Yeah. My first reaction, the funfetti cream, it's like funfetti cream. It doesn't really say anything like that. Those sugar crystals are just packing everything in, just packing it into my teeth. It's all stuck in there. But it's a good flavor. They're awesome cookies. I'm not mad. That's all stuck in my teeth, but I'm definitely going to have to go and brush my teeth after this. So, if you guys like Snickerdoodle cookies and funfetti icing, this is going to be right up your alley. So, go check these out. They're limited edition. So, that means they're not going to be out for that long. So make sure you get your hands on them if you see them in the stores. I am not paid or sponsored by Nabisco or anybody to do this review. Just recommending some good cookies from one fat ass to another. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy food reviews, check out our food review playlist section. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because we have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Take care.